CoreWeave has appointed Carl Holzhauser as its new vice president for government affairs. Holzhauser brings over 2 decades of experience in government relations, public affairs, and advocacy leadership to the company. Most recently, he served as executive vice president and head of federal policy and government relations at TechNet, a national bipartisan network of tech executives. With his extensive background in policy, Holzhauser has led enterprise-level advocacy campaigns, mobilizing stakeholders and shaping complex regulatory environments to deliver policy wins that strengthen businesses and drive growth. According to Michael Intrator, co-founder and chief executive officer at CoreWeave, the appointment of Holzhauser is a strategic move to ensure the company's continued growth and development in the AI era. As public policies at both the federal and state levels increasingly affect CoreWeave's business, Holzhauser will play a lead role in expanding the company's participation in public policy debates. His expertise will be integral to aligning CoreWeave's strategy with emerging government policies affecting AI, allowing the company to continue being a valuable partner to the public sector. Holzhauser expressed his excitement about joining CoreWeave, highlighting the company's leadership in AI and its investment in building the next generation of infrastructure that will support jobs, new businesses, and communities across the country. He looks forward to working closely with policymakers to develop the framework and rules that unlock AI's full potential for businesses and consumers. With his impressive track record, including delivering important victories on AI, privacy, trade, cybersecurity, and semiconductors, Holzhauser is well equipped to navigate the complex regulatory landscape and advocate for CoreWeave's interests. The appointment of Holzhauser is the latest addition to CoreWeave's growing leadership team. The company has made several strategic hires this year, including Chief Marketing Officer Gene English, Chief Information Security Officer Jim Higgins, and Chief Information Officer Sandy Venugopal. The AI hyperscaler's stock price has risen sharply due to a series of positive news catalysts, such as NVIDIA's revelation of a 7% stake in the company and a string of high-profile contracts, including a $4 billion expansion deal with OpenAI and the signing of a new hyperscaler client. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.